If there is a room in which decorating the ceiling can make particular sense, it is precisely in the bedroom, since by definition, it is a room to enjoy lying down. This implies that we will look at the ceiling much more frequently than in the rest of the house, so decorating it in a beautiful and different way will make the experience more pleasant. Modern and practical design ideas for a bedroom with a sloped ceiling allow you to make the most of a compact space of an unusual configuration. There are great ways to decorate a bedroom ceiling to generating depth, warmth, elegance, and much more. The coating is a simple and effective way. It will be possible to have a more interesting environment due to the warm and welcoming senses that this surface generates. Moldings is another way in decorating bedroom ceiling that generates subtle and detailed finishes. Other way for bedroom ceiling is the wooden beams that adapt very well to the interior project sought, whether in old, rustic houses, with more country styles, or the opposite.